Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm here today with another video. Today we're going to be testing out the October 2018 Boxycharm. I just got my Boxycharm in the mail today and I am so excited for this box, so I really wanted to try it out on camera for you guys. I've seen other people review it and I was like really excited to get mine, and I just got mine today, so I'm ready to hop into it. I do see something a bit wrong with my box and I'm a bit confused, so you'll see what I'm talking about in the video. But if you watch my makeup videos, you might have heard me talk about Boxycharm before. I have been a subscriber to Boxycharm for, I would say, it's been less than 6 months, probably about 4 to 5 months, and I am absolutely loving it. I really like Boxycharm. I'm so excited. I hope to be able to get the Boxy Luxe, which is another subscription, like a larger subscription box that they're going to be having every 3 to 4 months, and the next one comes out in December, so I'm excited to hopefully get on the list for that one. But yeah, if you're interested in Boxycharm, be sure to check the description box below, because I'll have my referral link where we can both earn some points to get some free makeup, if you know what I mean. So click the link, sign up through your girl, you know what I'm saying. Let's go ahead and hop into this makeup tutorial. I am going to be doing a full face of makeup, even though this box of course does not include a full face of products, but I wanted to show you like a full look. I think that's more helpful. If you're interested in seeing that, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned, but do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the red button below and the gray bell beside it before we get started, and go ahead and join the team. Without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, so here is the box right here. I'm sorry it looks so beat up. I guess they like really taped it down because they didn't want anything to get messed up in the box, which I appreciate, but it was kind of hard to get open. This box includes a lot of different type of products. One that I'm really excited for, this is the Alter Ego box. It includes an IT Cosmetics mascara, lace appeal, black bamboo charcoal peel off mask, palette, which is called the Midnight Masquerade palette, Kat Von D liquid lipstick, which I'm very excited about. So a Brio Geo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask, which I guess is for your hair. So we have a hair product in here too. See, other people got a facial balm or something like that to remove their makeup, and I guess I got the hair product instead of that. I'm still a little confused as to whether something's missing out of this box. I thought there was more to it, but overall I'm very excited for the box because it does include that pure palette, which I think is gorgeous. Wait till you see it. So we're just going to go ahead and start off with the eyes. I have my eyebrows done. I'm just going to take this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C10, and I'm going to use that to prime my eyelids. This concealer is everything to me. I love it so much. Very, very good concealer for priming your eyelids because it's pretty full coverage and it also dries down pretty quickly, which I like. Alright guys, so this is what the palette looks like right here. It says Midnight Masquerade on the front and it is so beautiful. It comes with a facial side right here with like blushes and also a highlight, which is amazing, and then it has an eyeshadow palette on this side. Excited for this, and I really feel like these blushes, they're so dark, it's gonna be really good for like melanin girls. Like this right here, this color, which is called Disguise, and then this blush, calling my name, and it smells like chocolate, which is so crazy. Oh my god. All of these shades are named, and it also has a mirror, so this palette has it all, and it is quite expensive. So this palette right here is worth more than the entire box. If I didn't mention it, Boxycharm is $21 a month. You get your money's worth for the whole box with this palette right here. All of these shadows in this palette are shimmers except for this one right here, which is called Sneak Peek. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use Sneak Peek, but I want to gradually get into that. So I'm going to take another palette and do a couple of transition shades, and then we'll get into this. So I'm going to take the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, the original palette, and I'm going to use a couple shades in here just to get our transition going. First, I'm going to take this shade right here. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade that is right below the first shade that I used, just because it's like reddish, and I think that will go nicely with the purpley, like deep vampy color that we're going to be putting all over the lid. Now I'm going to take the shade that is right next to that shade that we just used, that's an even like deeper like reddish color, and I'm going to use that right in the same spot with the same brush that I used the shade before, and I'm just going to deepen this up just a little bit more. And you can just imagine when we put that purple on the lid, it's gonna be beautiful. Okay, now I'm ready to go into the Midnight Masquerade palette. So I'm going to take Sneak Peek, which is this deep chocolatey shade right here that literally smells like chocolate. And I'm so glad I have a mirror now, because there is not one in that Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just going to deepen the outer V. Cut my crease with that same Makeup Revolution concealer, so we're ready to go in with the shade on the lid. I'm going to take this little brush from Alamar Cosmetics that I got in my September Boxycharm, and I'm going to take a little Fix Plus, of course, so we can get the ultimate, ultimate shimmer. I think I'm going to take 2 shades on this crease that I have cut. First, I'm going to take Exposed on the inner part, which is this beautiful, like, oh wow, this beautiful like silver shade, and I'm going to pack that on the inner portion of my lid. Yes, I want to just leave it right about there. So for the other part of my eyelid, I'm going to take Disguise, which is this beautiful purple right here. Alright, so now that I have that on my lid, I'm just going to take both sides of this brush and just go in between the 2 shades, flipping it back and forth, just to blend those 2 shades together. I have some falsies on and also some winged eyeliner. I really like the look so far, so let's go ahead and move on with our face. For foundation, I'm going to be using my new absolute favorite foundation, which is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, which was basically the foundation version of their concealer. I have 2 shades here. That is the downfall. The shade range needs work. But I have found that since I've been wearing this foundation coupled with the concealer, my face looks absolutely like flawless. So I have to overlook the fact that the shade range needs work, but the outcome is just amazing. So what I like to do is just do the darker shade, put a couple stripes, like basically where I would contour. I know you don't contour right here, but other than my cheeks, I do it in areas that I normally would contour. So I put it right here. I put it like close to my nose right here. And then I'll go in with the brighter shade, which is F12. And I'll just put this where I didn't put the darker one. I'll also put that under my eyes where I would, you know, normally highlight my face with concealer, which I still am going to do. I really like this foundation because it's excellent coverage, and I don't know, like, it just looks so good. And I like the fact that you don't have to put it on your hand or anything like that. You can just, you know, apply it directly to your face. I love the applicator. So then I just mix those two together with my brush or sponge, whatever you prefer. I'm going to use both today. Added that C10 Makeup Revolution concealer all over my face. So now I'm just going to blend this out. I did it in all the normal areas that you would highlight and conceal, which are on your chin, Cupid's bow, which I took it all the way around my mouth to conceal my smile lines, and then I put it underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. Take the same concealer in a darker shade. This is in the shade C16, and I'm going to use that to cream contour my face. Okay, now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder, which is one of my favorites. I'm using a lot of Makeup Revolution in this video. No special reason. I've just been loving their products. I mean, I always have, but I have really been loving them lately. First, let me make sure there's no creasing under here. To warm up the face, we're just going to reiterate what we already did with the cream contour. I really want to try this right here, this shade right here, as a bronzer, because look how gorgeous that is. It's very like dark. So what I'm going to do is take this Luxie brush right here. This is the Luxie 504, a large angled brush. I'm just going to dip a little bit into Enchantment, that's what it's called, and just use this to use this kind of as a bronzer. Yes, that's really pretty. Every now and then you need a good shimmery bronzer. I'm so excited to use one of these blushes. Like I said, I think I'm going to take this one, which is Reveal, and I think it'll go really nice with the eyes. Oh my god, yes! Yes, that's so beautiful. I love it. I'm just going to take away from a bit of the powderiness on my face with this Mario Badescu spray, just to melt everything together, and it's also just going to make our highlight go on a bit more intense, which is what I want. Alrighty, so now I'm going to take the highlighter in this palette, which is called Twilight, and I'm taking a Luxie 522, which is a tapered highlighter brush. These brushes did come in one of my Boxycharms a few months ago. So as you can see, Boxycharm is the truth. Wow. Oh my gosh, wow. Went ahead and finished up my under eye by using all those shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and also Sneak Peek from the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. And I also just added some of that highlighter from the same palette in my inner corner and my brow bone, that Enchantment color, which I am in love with that highlight. So now I'm just going to take the mascara that came inside of the Boxycharm box, which is the It Superhero Mascara, and I'm going to use that to blend my real lashes and the falsies together, and also on my lower lashes. I love the wand of this mascara. It's super skinny, And this thing is huge. Like, you can't probably tell, but it's huge. The mascara tube is. I don't really use high-end mascaras, and this is one that I'm absolutely liking a lot. This is the NYX lip liner in Club Hopper, which has that purplish undertone. Now I'm just going to take the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Bow and Arrow. Here is the finished look with the lip color. I really do like it. It screams fall to me, and I really love how everything worked together and came out. All I added was the new Fenty Beauty Lip Luminizer Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk right on top. That liquid lipstick was very comfortable and everything. I'm just really not into matte lips. I'm really not. I always want to add gloss, so that's what I did. I am loving that palette so much. The only thing that I didn't get to try two things from the Boxycharm, one of which being this Brio Geo Don't Despair Repair Strengthen and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So I'm just going to spray, oh God, I'm just going to spray a bit on my hair, even though this is a synthetic wig. Oh well, it smells really, really good. I know that. Their Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So I'm not gonna do that right now. I appreciate them having skincare in there. I just wish that, I like this box, but I wish there was a little bit more. I saw some people got some more skincare, not just the mask. They got a cleansing balm, which I love cleansing balms that take off all your makeup. It's kind of like an oil that removes all your makeup. I saw some people got that. I don't know why I didn't get it. I feel like this box is missing something for me. I was really excited for this box when I saw it, and now I'm just kind of let down. I am absolutely in love with this palette right here, and I can't really be greedy, I guess, because this thing is like a $40 palette, and I only paid $21 for the entire box. But I don't know, I liked other boxes more than this one, but I'm still really happy, especially with this palette. The palette just makes it all worth it. Everything in here worked so well. I think it's beautiful, everything.